In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between in-stream ads and discovery ads when it comes to YouTube ads. Hey everyone, Matt Giaro here, and on this channel I help men create a business around their passion. So if that sounds like you, consider hitting this subscribe button. So with that being said, you may have been thinking about creating YouTube ads, maybe to grow your email list or to grow your channel, to get more subscribers, to get more views. But the thing is, you don't know exactly what should you choose. Should you go for the in-stream or should you go for the discovery? Well, this is the video for you. And if you like this video, please, at any point of time, please give it a thumbs up so it can help more people. So with that being said, let's just dive into what's the difference between actually an in-stream and a discovery ad. So here is a little mental hack that I use when it comes to difference between in-stream and discovery. So in-stream, okay, starts with IN, and in-stream ads are the ads that are interrupting you, okay, when you just start watching a video. So in-stream, interrupting, okay? So this is actually the ad used by Tai Lopez. You know, there's here I am, here in my garage, blah, 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 and all this stuff. You probably know this ad. And this is actually the ad that are popping up when you just want to watch a video, and then you have the skip button that appears after 5 seconds. So this is in-stream ads, and I'm going to give you exactly when should you use in-stream ads when it comes to YouTube ads, okay? So these are the interrupting ads, in-stream interrupting, okay? So a little mental hack that will help you, I hope, to just understand and just remind you what exactly an in-stream ad is. So now let's go to the discovery ad. So this discovery ad, as its name says, is actually the ads that you try to discover by yourself. So when you are on YouTube, actually, when you are, let's say, watching a video here, let's say you have the main video here, and here you have, let's say, the suggested videos with different thumbnails. Well, what is going to happen? You're going to see like a small ad here, like a video, as it was a suggested video, but it is actually a discovery ad. It is an ad. So it requires you actually to actively click on it and then play it, okay? So this is like the first case when how to use actual discovery ads and where do they pop up. The other thing is that, let's say when you are making a research on YouTube, what you actually have is that you have like the videos popping up here, and sometimes what happens is that you have a video here, a small video, the first video here, which is actually an ad, and this is also a discovery ad. So the discovery ad actually requires you to take specific action so that you can watch it, which is actually not the case with the interrupting in-stream ads. This is just the ad that will pop in your face and boom, here you have it. You have to watch my ad for at least 5 seconds and then you can skip it, okay? So these are the main difference and where they actually show up. So depending on the use case and depending also on your budget, you are going to choose one instead of another. So with that being said, I have a PDF, the first link in the description, that will give you even more information of everything that I'm going to cover here in this video. I'm going to show you exactly when you should use in-stream ads, when you should use discovery ads, and some different strategies that you can just start with just $5 per day, okay? So with that being said, right now, let's just dive deep into why would you use actually in-stream ads. And remember, in-stream ads are the ad that are interrupting, okay? IN. So actually, when you're going to use in-stream ads when you want to directly sell something, okay? Or if you want, for example, build your list, right? Because it's the easiest way, it's like the most direct path from actually finding a stranger on YouTube and getting him actually take some action on your website. So this is why you see like so many giveaway free trainings or free trials or so on and so forth that are actually popping up on in-stream ads, okay? So this is like if you like really to resume, if you really want someone to take action and to get it really out of YouTube, what you're going to do is that you're going to use in-stream ads. So this is basically helps you to, as I told you, get someone out of YouTube on your website and take a specific action. Okay. So this is the first thing. The second thing is, when are you going to use actual discovery ads? So discovery ads is more like a soft kind of approach, and in which you cannot really measure the ROI right away, because here it's pretty easy, right? So either the person clicks on your ad or it doesn't click on your ad. So if it doesn't click on your ad, and you're going to get exactly the cost actually on how much does it cost you to get someone, let's say, buy your product or get your email list, right? So the discovery ad is more like a soft technique, and you're not able to exactly know the exact ROI that actually a discovery ad just gave you on your ad spend, right? So what happens with the discovery ad? This is actually used if you want to actually first build brand awareness, okay? Or actually if you want to get, let's say, more subscribers or more views on a specific kind of video. So let's just dig deeper into it. So when it comes especially to subscribers, so what you're going to do is you're going to find a video that you already have on a channel that you know that performs pretty well in getting your subscribers. So for that, you can just dive into your analytics and let's just check exactly what are the videos that are getting you subscribers. And from that, it could be interesting to actually launch a discovery ad just promoting this video. Okay, this is one thing. And I'm going, as I told you, I'm going to tackle more like all the targeting kind of stuff in the PDF in the description that you can get just by clicking the first link in the description. The other thing is that discovery ads also help you to get more views. But there is one thing that you have to take care of, is that if you push actually like the original video that you have already on the channel, the thing is that the view time may actually go down. So you have to be aware of that. Right now, I didn't really test exactly discovery ads because, like, I have to tell you straight away, I'm the kind of simple guy who don't want like sophisticated stuff. I just want to know exactly if I'm spending $1, how much am I getting back in my business, right? So this may be changed. I'm actually thinking about building and using this discovery ads, but right now I just don't want to be distracted. I just want to keep focused 100% on Instream Ads, and this is actually what I'm using actually to build my business. Okay, so this is like, let's just go back to the views here, and you see, like, I'm kind of a word person. Like when I have to say something, I just have to knock it out directly, else I forget. So let's just go back to the views. So if you want to actually get more views, what you can test is actually two approaches. The first approach is to keep your original video and then just promote it to the audience that could actually be interested by this video. The second thing that you can use is that you can just re-upload this almost the same video, but the thing is that YouTube doesn't allow you to upload exactly the same video. So you have to make a significant change, 10 and 15 seconds. So this may be adding a new intro, or like you just have to change like 10 to 15 seconds inside your video, and then just what you're going to do is you're going to see if the watch time of the original isn't impacted by actually the ad. Then you can just run and go for the original. It will help you actually grow and actually also get more views on the original video. But if you see that you have, let's say, a difference in watch time, then I would certainly go for re-uploading and using this actually for your ad. Okay, so that it doesn't really impact the organic growth from your original video. And at the same time, this video will help you actually to get more subscribers. Okay, so this is actually the 80-20 of discovery ads versus Instream ads. The only thing that I forgot to mention, that I will mention right now, is that it also comes down to your budget. So how much money do you have to spend? So Instream ads are more expensive than discovery ads. So this is really something that you have to understand. So if you don't have a lot of money to spend on ads, I would certainly go and try at least the discovery ads that you can just start with $5 per day, right? So if you're starting Instream ads with just $5 per day, it will like take a lot of time in order to get the data to know exactly how to optimize and so on and so forth. But you could get really cheaper results. And as I told you, it's like a more kind of a soft approach. So you're not going to probably make a sale right away. It will take some time, but it could really help you to grow your YouTube channel if you have like a small budget and you still want to invest in YouTube ads. So if you like this video, please, there are 3 things that you can do right now. Number 1 is actually downloading the PDF that will give you exactly everything that we've covered here, plus some more actionable advice on how to create actually your YouTube ads. So this is the first thing. And the second thing right now that you can do, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also what you can do is subscribe to the channel and also continue watching another video on my channel here. And I appreciate your support, and I hope to see you inside your mailbox with the free PDF and also in the next video here on the channel.